Hello and welcome. This is Stacey, your Disney hotel lady, and today we're taking a look at the Castle Inn right across the street from Disneyland. One major thing here at the Castle Inn is parking is free. That's right, you can bring your car for free and park here. There's no breakfast offered here, so you'll have to find that elsewhere. There's also no gift shop. It looks like at one time there was a gift shop, but it's closed now, so I don't know if they have plans to bring that back in the future or not. But currently there isn't. And isn't that just the most beautiful stained glass? Not something you're gonna find around Disneyland very often. Here's a look at the pool area with the splash pool, the hot tub, and then of course your regular size pool. Here's something that I think the kiddos will just absolutely love. The towers on either side of the pool. If you go up the stairs, now you can do this, as I said, there's a staircase on either side of the pool, so there's two opportunities here for you to go up to the top of those towers. And there's tables and chairs and loungers. And you just have, you know how kids love that just like different point of view. So that's why I think the kids will just love it. And you don't have to worry about them if they want to run up there. They can't get outside of the pool area. So if you were down and they're up, you don't have to worry. They have to come back down the stairs. It's single access there. But you see then across on the other side, there's more. And it's a nice place if you want to bring out a meal, enjoy that Southern California weather. Nice calm space outside by the pool there. Here's the laundry. This is the cheapest laundry I have found at any of the hotels that I've stayed at so far in the Disneyland area. $1 and $1.50. I mean, that's really hard to beat. But it is coin operated. You are going to need your quarters. And if you don't have any, the front desk can certainly help you with that. They helped me. And here we go on into the room. Now I heard several people complain about this being a dark room, but personally, I think that's wonderful. I love a dark space for sleeping, so it didn't bother me one bit, and it kind of fits the theme, you know? If you're in a castle, wouldn't you expect it to be dark? So, but I also loved all the space. There's plenty of room here. As you can see, a desk and a table area. A nice large fridge, and a microwave. Another great thing here I've heard from my friend Ashley, who will be speaking with actually next week, so stay tuned for that. But Ashley said the owners here, this is a family-run hotel, and the owners are the loveliest people. And that's always nice to hear. I think when you stay somewhere where the people are really invested and they're nice, I don't know, it just adds something, don't you think? My one complaint, though, were the beds. And I hated these beds, I am sorry to say. So I'm sure the owners are working on that. Hopefully they are, but otherwise, this was a great property. The price was great, under $200 for the night, and then the free parking, and then the walk to Disneyland is only about 10 or 15 minutes depending on where your room is. So it's super convenient. It's an across the street hotel right next to the Anaheim Hotel, which we looked at last week. The only other thing I would mention is that some of the walkways in front of the doors are uneven. So like the first floor is even, but if you're up on the second, third, or is there, I believe, even a fourth floor, I don't know how that happened, but the walkways were a little uneven. So make sure you're paying attention to where you're stepping as you're making your way to your room. And that's it for the Castle Inn. Thanks for watching.